Hello YouTubers and welcome to our 90. In this tutorial I will show you a site from which you can make more than 5000 Ethereum Satoshis daily. You have to spend a little time on the site and you can earn a lot from here. So without wasting time, let's get started. You can find the link to the site in the description. Click on the link and you will be on the site. We will be receiving our payout to Faucet Pay. So let me open it in the new tab. So here is my dashboard of Faucet Pay and their last withdrawal is of Faucet Crypto. So this is the main page of the site and you can see that you can receive your payments to Faucet Pay and Express Crypto. So click on the register button, create your account and then log into the site. I am already logged in, so this is the dashboard. You have to collect coins on this site which will be called LPONs, and your referral earning will be shown here, your total referral number will be shown here, and the number of claims that you can make daily on this faucet. So there are 50 claims that you can make daily from this faucet. I have already completed my 50 claims. Here let me show you the history of my claims and how much you can make daily from these claims. So you can see that on the last page my total number of claims are 50. The reward that you will be getting, the points LPONs that you will be getting will differ from 300 to 600 points. So first let me show you on my dashboard. You can see that I have a total of 20,972 points. On the withdraw section there are two different options that you can withdraw, LTC and Ethereum. So my points are 20,972. so in Litecoin they are equal to 26,000 Satoshis and in Ethereum they are equal to 5,200 Satoshis. For Ethereum you can only use Faucet Pay and for Litecoin you can use Faucet Pay. So the Faucet Pay is only available. Now let me show you how you can make the claims. So there are two methods that you can collect coins from here. One is the claim and one is the short links. Short links are not yet added on this site, they will be coming soon. So you have to earn using the claims option. So here there are two captchas available. The word captcha, complete it and then you will see the next button, but you have to also complete this reCAPTCHA. There are two options. You can either complete the reCAPTCHA or you can also complete the solved media. So I am gonna complete the reCAPTCHA and here it is. Now click on the next button. Here on this page follow this line. It says that click ads to visit next link. Sometimes it will show you a button on which you have to click and then it will take you to the next page. Right now it is for the ad, so I clicked on the ad and you can see that I am redirected to the other page. Now here you have to wait for a few seconds. After waiting you will see a button. Now click two times on this, click 2x button, then again wait a few seconds and click on next claim button. Here scroll down and you can see the option of claim. Click on it and you will get your points. Here you can see 536 LPONs added to my account. So now let's head to the withdraw. My total points are 21,508. Going on to the withdraw, amount is 21,508. I am requesting Ethereum, so I will be getting 5,377 points. Let me add my wallet. So my Ethereum wallet is added and my micro wallet option is Faucet Pay. Clicking on the withdraw button, payment sent to your account in Faucet Pay. So going on to the dashboard, you can see that my points are reduced to 0. In the history of my withdrawals, you can see that I have received 5,377 Ethereum Satoshis in my Faucet Pay. Now let's check it, refreshing the page, and here it is, 5,377 Ethereum Satoshis from the Faucet, Multicoin Faucet on 27th June. So this is it. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe.